from Costco. That place. I've wanted one for so long. So now make it a little more homey. Warm up the place a little. What am here? Nah. Yeah, plot.
Oh my gosh. I can't do this anymore.
I'm not plotting.
Shall plot for good if we.
Your daughter said so.
She's plotting to leave us. She doesn't want to
poor.
be here when the.
No more snow. Not at all. Not at all, people.
You've been
not
here.
At all. It's
You've
not
been
nice.
here when it was winter, you know. Yeah, you've been
Once
here when
is
it was
good
winter.
enough.
Suppose to tell you, say. I actually miss the cold a little.
Me too.
What kind of brainwashing this?
Not a real brainwash.
But I've been truly feeling like I miss the cold a little. And I know by January I'm gonna be tired of it. And I'll be like, it's time for you to go. Pack up and leave. The holidays are over. We're over it. What's your face with lip gloss kiss?
I'm not taking
It's
it.
you.
I know. You need to pull out.
I don't mind the cold. It's just that I can't bother with to be putting on at least 3 layers of clothes to go out, and then you have to take them off when you go out, and then when you're coming out of wherever you have to put them on again.
Nana, you're not going nowhere.
Yeah, but we go supermarket, we go down at the mall, we go.
So you don't put on the jacket.
Oh no, a jacket alone can't
Like,
work.
when you're there for a good little while, I get used to, like, my first winter here, I had on long johns, tights under my pants, tank top under my shirt, and then me have on the shirt and a hoodie and jacket, and I can't do that anymore.
It's a good thing I am not here for a good little while, people.
Shall I play for you? Oh wow.
Mommy.
What did you do with my husband?
Ask your daughter.
You may ask, what'd you do with my man?
Actually, your man jumped up and said, soon come. Go next door. I'll go over there, so.
Alright. Okay, so I just came home and I'm heading back out to very quickly go to one of the extracurricular places to pick up uniforms. I mentioned in the description of my last video that, you know, things are gonna pick up in September, and that's one of the reasons, because in addition to other things, my kid now has 2 extracurricular activities, so we're gonna be trying to find a new routine with that, and school's starting back. This week is all about, you know, just getting ready, getting in the gear, and trying to, like, stay on top of it. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
Y'all, it is so rainy here in Task, like so rainy today. Actually I think it hasn't been rainy since yesterday, but wow. It's not supposed to, like, it's cold actually. It's like 11. But the warm weather is not done yet, so it's not time to freak out yet. But it was kind of like out of nowhere, and it was like, it's supposed to be a month of warm weather still, so we'll see. But yeah, definitely a little but I like it. I like it.
Hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
guys. So I've been using these beads for a little minute now, like about a year. And I got some new ones, I think, when I went to Jamaica. So like, you know, we used to use the little beads, but now these ones are a little bit bigger because, well, I know, thick hair and all that. It allows me to not do her hair so fine. But they keep splitting. They keep breaking, like in her hair. Look, like it's broken.
It's because
like,
they're plastic.
All the time. Like even when she's not really doing anything, they're breaking. What the hell? What the hell is this?
I don't know.
These people won't. They refuse to make anything good anymore. Stop. What am I moving? 7?
Yep. Oh yes, yes. No. No, you're gonna fall. Make it. No.
Boom.
No. Are you kidding?
Your turn.
Are you kidding me?
Done for dead. You get your face.
Yes. Let's go. Don't mash on my hands, okay?
5.
You know, all this talk about revenge makes me stupid.
Why did you move? Why? Why? Come on, please. We're gonna tip it. We're gonna tip it. Come on, tip it. Tip it, come on. I'm going to make it. Oh, you're gonna lose. No, you can't do it that way.
What?
It's not gonna balance on that. It's not gonna balance on. It's not gonna balance on. No! No! No, it's not gonna balance. If you do that, it's gonna balance. That I feel like Are you kidding me? You're gonna lose. You're gonna lose. Please, come on. Please. Lose. I'm gonna lose. It's gonna take you forever. It's taking you forever. Oh my God. Yay! Yay!
Cross my heart, I never meant to hurt you, but now you're slipping through my fingers as the darkness in me lingers. Was praying for possibilities, lately got the best of me, yeah. You got the best of me, embrace facing our insecurities. Better to cry and set us free, yeah. Oh no. We're running out of space between good and bad. Running out of words to apologize. Nothing left to say between you and I. You and I. And I. You and I. And I've done my part. No reason left to keep you. Let the thought of us wither. Nothing left but all our pictures. Was praying for possibilities. Lately you got the best of me, yeah. Yeah. We're running out of space between good and bad. Running out of words to apologize. Nothing left to say between you and I. You and I. And I. You and I. And cross my heart, I never meant to hurt you. But now you're slipping through my fingers as the bad inside me lingers. Oh no, we're running out of space between good and bad. Running out of words to apologize.
Did y'all know kids are expensive as hell? The birds. These little people, they cost a lot of money. At least the way I want to raise my little people costs a lot of money. Those?
Yep.
Okay.
Pin them.
I like these.
What are you doing?
So small. Open. Like it? Dibs, like? Okay.
Oh, those are the ski pants and the gloves.
Ooh. These are the pants that go with them. I assume the cost is separate. So $34 for this and $60 for this. I'm not entirely convinced you need the ski pants. That is a very pink bag, Siobhan.
Very pink bag.
Yes.
I like pink.
Of course you do. Okay. Sure. I said sure.
These look like water shoes.
The soles? Okay. Go with daddy. Soles.
Soles?
Yes.
What's a sole?
Just go.
What's a sole? These are soles?
Yeah. Yep. Which one do you buy for the picnic?
Wait, we get the feel on the thing. Oh, this feels like slime. Look.
Should we relax now? I can easily see her saying that's uncomfortable. 3, 4. This is her foot size, eh?
That ain't my foot size. It's big. I don't think that's my foot size.
No? Yes? Okay.
What is it going to be? Mommy.
Yeah.
I need to drink water.
How's your water bottle? Her water bottle. Was it okay or? Huh? A little bit of water this boat. Okay, here. So we're just finishing up the shopping. So literally like some dregs of things. Some, random tea magic. Something in our bag. But essentially we're doing the last bit of shopping. And then I don't know what to do about the lunch because she is what are these? So you want to look at lunch stuff or you want to leave it?
What to do with it?
Okay. We have to get my kids some dance shoes today. And these little issues are expensive. Okay. So it's got some ballet shoes, which these weren't so bad. These weren't so bad. But then there are these bad boys that they're up there. And this is a 5.5, and she generally wears a much smaller size, but I was so scared that she might not get. Actually, I'm still scared. I'm still scared that she might not get a semester out of these, so I took a little bit bigger size. The space, I think they fit small. I'm gonna say they fit a little bit small, so we bought it a little bit bigger, and then we bought some soles to put in there to help fill up the gaps. This is just one activity. Y'all in these streets with multiple kids. Y'all in these streets with multiple kids, and this is just shoes. This is just shoes for the activity. Okay. I mean, she used to do swimming in Jamaica, but that's, you pay your money, you buy a little swim gear, and that was that. And then, but now she's bigger, she's older, and so in foreign land, extracurriculars are a little bit more organized than that. I used to do dance at one point too. Certainly nothing this, but child, y'all out here having multiple kids. Like, are y'all okay? Because I'm not okay. Anyway, so it's a long weekend. I don't know if I mentioned that before, but I washed the little one's hair, but I'm gonna wait until tomorrow to give her a style. Are you okay? There's water on your face. Is that tears? Anyway, so tomorrow I'm going to give her a style, even though school is not till Tuesday because Monday's Labor Day. And then, like you see, I didn't have too much to buy. I just, you know, little something. Like I said, I started buying up like early in the summer, a little bit here, so a little bit there, so that there isn't this big thing. And I think we're ready. I think we're ready for back to school, basically. well, besides the hair thing, I would generally put beads in her hair. Like I would do a style that would last 2 weeks or 3 weeks, and then I would use beads because whenever I don't put beads in her hair and she sleep on it, it turned colic and all sorts of something. So that's one of the reasons why I'm always having her in beads, but it's gonna be a little bit tedious because she can't wear beads to her extracurriculars, and like I don't want to be taking them out and take them off. You know what I mean? Because I mean the hair ain't gonna flick up. You know, like how you put in bead and blah blah blah. The hair ain't gonna flick up and all of that. So I guess no beads. We'll see how that goes. Yeah. Yeah, and like I said, tomorrow we finish up what we need to finish up, and then ready to rock and roll.